Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with cash on Temu. Temu is an online shopping platform that offers a variety of products at affordable prices. While Temu primarily supports digital payment methods, it also provides an option to pay with cash for certain orders. To pay with cash on Temu, follow these steps. First, ensure that your order is eligible for cash payment. Not all products on Temu support cash payment, so check the product description or the payment options during checkout to confirm. If cash payment is available, proceed to the next step. Next, select the cash payment option during checkout. You will be redirected to a page with instructions on how to complete the payment. Read the instructions carefully and make a note of the order number and the payment amount. To complete the payment, you will need to visit a participating payment location, such as a convenience store or a bank. Present the order number and the payment amount to the cashier, and they will guide you through the payment process. You can pay with cash, and the cashier will provide you with a receipt as proof of payment. Once the payment is made, the order will be processed, and you will receive an email confirmation from Temu. The email will include the order details, shipping information, and tracking number. You can use the tracking number to track the status of your order. It is essential to note that cash payment on Temu has some limitations. The payment must be made within a specified time frame, usually a few days, or the order will be cancelled. Additionally, cash payment may not be available for all products or locations, so it is crucial to check the availability before placing an order. To avoid any issues with cash payment, make sure to follow the instructions carefully and pay the correct amount. If you encounter any problems, you can contact Temu customer support for assistance. In conclusion, paying with cash on Temu is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to the instructions and payment details. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully complete a cash payment on Temu and enjoy a seamless shopping experience.